this edition. Mr. Danny Kila is a highly accomplished musical arranger, composer, musical director, pianist, film scorer, and record producer whose remarkable contributions have left a lasting mark on the Philippine music industry. He is widely recognized for arranging well-loved songs such as Only Me and You by Donna Cruz, Wala Na Bang Pag-ibig by Kaya, Ang Hihingan, and Oh Babe by Jeremiah, as well as You Don't Have to Say You Love Me by Lani Misalucha and Pagdating ng Panahon by Aiza Segura. His expertise also extended to television, where he worked on the musical scoring of popular teleseries like Esperanza and Gulong ng Palad. As a proud Cabuyeño, he further showcased his talent and love for his hometown by composing the official hymn for Cabuyaw's Batingaw Festival for the Cabuyao Cityhood Day, contributing to the city's cultural identity and heritage. Currently based in Las Vegas, Nevada, USA, where he has been residing for the past 7 years, Mr. Kila continues to share his musical excellence as a pianist in prestigious venues such as Marinella's Italian Reservoir, Red Rock Casino Resort, and Resorts World Piano Bar. Despite being abroad, he remains deeply passionate about music, actively composing, arranging, and producing works that inspire audiences across cultures. Beyond performance and production, Mr. Kila is also dedicated to nurturing young talents, teaching piano, guitar, and drums to aspiring musicians. Notably, he is also the composer of the Holy Redeemer School of Cabuyao Hymn, a piece that continues to resonate within the school community. With his exceptional talent, global experience, and commitment to music and education, Mr. Kila truly embodies excellence and passion in his craft. Such music was brought to life through its singer, the very voice that has echoed through our halls and hearts, and the one we have been listening to and singing along with for the past 27 years. Mr. Kila's wife, Miss Mardeka Isabelita Kila, a nursing graduate of the University of Perpetual Health, has likewise built a meaningful career in education and service. She currently serves as a special teacher assistant at Twin Lakes Elementary School in Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. Beyond her professional achievements, she once brought pride to Cabuyao and her alma mater as she was crowned Binibining Cabuyao 1982 and Miss Nightingale of Perpetual 1987, exemplifying both grace and excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Dennis Gochonko Kila and Mrs. Mardeka Isabelita Kila.
At this moment, we give honor where honor is due. May we call on stage our school president, Engineer Benhard D. Ignacio, Vice President, Ms. Francisca Gotyongo Ignacio, School Director, Ms. Benilda Marie Ignacio, recognition is proudly presented to Dennis G. Kila and Merdeka B. Kila in profound gratitude for their exceptional contribution in composing and giving voice to the official hymn of Holy Redeemer School of Kabuya. As the school marks its 27th anniversary, we honor your musical legacy, which served as a cornerstone of our institutional identity. Your work continues to resonate through our halls, embodying the spirit and mission of our community across generations. You remain an integral part of the Holy Redeemer School of Kabuya legacy. Given this day, the 31st of March 2026 at Holy Redeemer School of Kabuya. Once again, our heartfelt gratitude and congratulations to Mr. Dennis G. Kila and Ms. Merdeka B. Kila.